Who's at the door? Did you hear that, Biscuit? Did you hear the door? It's Christmas! So what's up, YouTube? Moto Mike 805 here. And my Christmas present arrived a little early, and Corey is out of town. So I decided, might as well just open it up since I already know what it is. Huh, Biscuit? Got my helper here. So I ended up getting a gaming PC from Costco. Here's the specs on it. Let's see. NVIDIA GeForce RTX 3060 Ti, AMD R7 5800X. Now, one of the things is looking at video editing articles, it seems like they recommend at least 32 gigs of RAM. So I did order some more RAM. That's a 32 gig upgrade, so we'll take these out and pop those in. It's got a 1 terabyte solid state drive, 2 terabyte hard disk. Now what I was gonna do was build a PC. We built Colby a really nice one last year, and I went on Amazon. I was pricing it out, and video cards especially are through the roof price wise. The video card I bought Colby was a pretty decent gaming budget gaming video card. Got great reviews. We paid, I think it was $136 for it last year. That same card now is over $800. So looking around, it was a better deal right now because of the prices. Like Costco had some pretty good deals. If I was the video card in here, just a video card alone that comes in this computer is probably about just half the price of the computer. So just the electronic prices, because of COVID, it's saying, you know, the supply is way down. Supply is really decreased because of COVID, and demand is way up. They also predict because of COVID. So everyone at home playing on their electronics more, and then the shortage from people around the world where the chips are made, not being able to work or produce them. It's crazy, the prices. I'm probably not making any sense. I feel like I'm rambling, but just in all the reading I've done, it's crazy how much prices have gone up on electronics. So I really wanted to build one, but to build a decent one, it would have been pretty expensive. Looking at the parts in this, I kind of went online and did my best to budget. I probably saving about $300-400 by buying it pre-built from Costco. Now I did look at places like Best Buy, and their prices on their pre-builts were to me, you could have built a better one than what Best Buy had, or places like that. But Costco actually had some pretty good deals. So let's get this open and see what we got. But before we get going, make sure you hit that subscribe button, hit that thumbs up, comment and share. So we're gonna start digging in here. It can be kind of hard to make this video on my own as Colby's out of town with Corey. So we got here, it's got some destructions. Who needs destructions? What we got here? Stop! We're here to help. Okay. What do we got? Oh, we got a mouse. Yay. Pretty good packing, which is good because it sounded like the UPS guy dropped this at the front door when we got here. I heard this thud. I was like, man, I really hope that's not my computer. And it was, but that's some pretty good packing there. Her Biscuit wants some styrofoam. All right, well, I'm gonna pause it and pull this thing out of here and show you what it looks like. Fancy cover here, Velcro. What do you think, Biscuit? Biscuit's like, is it food? Nope, then I don't care. All right, so we got it out of the box. Looks pretty cool, but looks don't really matter when it comes to a computer's performance. Oh, it's got like some magnetic screen filter type thing on top there. Here's the back of it. And hey, there's the inside. So I have to open it up and pull that out. Please remove foam from inside before powering on. All right, what do you think, Tesla? Tesla approves, Biscuit? Biscuit approves? Harley, where are you, Harley? Harley? Oh, Harley approves. All right, let's get this safe pulled out of there. All right, so got the screws off. Ooh, slides nice and smooth. Just throw them out of here. That is, there we go. Ah, look at that sexy machine. So this is the MSI computer. I think it was from Aegis Series MSI. So looks pretty sweet. Like I said, looks don't mean anything with a computer. It's how it performs. Oh, you know what? It has a different motherboard than I thought. I was trying to find specs on it. I actually had contacted MSI looking for the manual online to see how much RAM I could put, how many bays were in there. And they said it technically wasn't released yet. When I ordered it, Costco didn't have it. It said it was like coming soon. So I'll check MSI's website again. Now that it's shipped, maybe they have the manual. So I was trying to look at other similar gaming PCs they built, and most of them only had 2 bays for RAM. This one has 4. So I was planning on just pulling out those 2 8-gig sticks that had 16 and then putting in these 2 16s to make it 34. But it looks like maybe we can just add it and then have a, oh, what is that, 48? My math's right? Can I do 16 plus 32, Mike? So we got to get this all hooked up. Right now my current PC is running in the background here. We have it running on the big TV. I'll see if you can see down here. Right now I'm backing up everything off onto an external hard drive that I want to put over on this file-wise. So once that gets done, we'll hook this up and we'll be on our way to testing this out. Hopefully that means I'll be able to edit videos a little faster. One of the things with the computer I have now, I don't even do anything in 4K because it says it takes like a week to render. And then I've tried it and it like locks up, you know, 3-4 days in, and I have to restart. So the highest I've been doing is like, was it 2.7K? And even that, it takes like a day to render the video. And when I'm previewing the video while I'm editing it on this old computer, it is really choppy. So I'm hoping once we get to that, we are going to have a much better machine. Like I said, this, I think it was a CyberPower PC over there that we're using, computer, and very limited. I put like the max amount of RAM I could in there. We even upgraded the video card to a better video card, but the processor and that thing and the video card and all that good. It's old too. I think it's got some intermittent hardware failures, hence the locking up when trying to render videos sometimes, or just overloading that old thing. So let's, I don't know if this will be the end of the video or if I'll probably post another one once I get it hooked up. There's not going to be much to see until I edit a video with it, which I'll probably be editing this video on this computer, but the cell phone resolution isn't really, I can edit cell phone videos on my old PC just fine. So, but this will probably be the first video that I throw in Adobe Premiere on there and test it out. Anyways, that is it for today, I think. Who knows? If it isn't it, I'll cut this out and add some more to it. So, anyways, thanks for watching. I can't wait to make some videos with the new PC and see how much easier it is. I also want to start learning trying to improve my Adobe Premiere skills and becoming a little better at video editing. Maybe make the videos look a little... Oh. Are you coming out of the box, Harley? Nope, he's going back in the box. All right, so hit that You coming out? Nope, he's staying in. All right, so hit that subscribe button, hit that thumbs up, comment and share. And remember, YouTube, ride like everyone's a hired assassin trying to kill you. Stay safe out there, YouTube. Peace.